can check out the documentation also. There are a lot of built-in function. I think we covered everything. And the reverse, suppose it will come in the reverse order. So let us see the reverse. So marks is like this. Now I say marks dot reverse. If I run this, so if I print the marks now, so it's reverse, right? So now see which was at the end, it came in the beginning. 2022, then that like 2025 has gone at the end. It's reversed the list itself. Like this, you have many built-in functions, and you can check out like go to the Python documentation, and then you can see all the different built-in functions. So with this knowledge, hopefully, if at all some other built-in function is there, you should be able to understand, and then you should be able to analyze, and then you can start programming with that. Hope this is of much use for you because when you start the programming on collections in the real world scenario, these built-in functions will come as handy. So with that, let me stop the video here only, and then we'll continue with another one where we are going to do the slicing.